भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः We have completed the second chapter, first section of the Mundakopanishad. This second chapter, first section, Angiras explains about the creation, Virat Utpatti. Virat means the universe. Utpatti means creation. The creation of the universe came out of Brahman. Aksharam Brahma. Aksharam means imperishable. That Brahman who is imperishable, from that alone the creation has come into existence. Whatever comes and appears or manifests is called karyam, a product. Whatever emerges, whatever comes into existence, or whatever manifests, that is called karyam. It's a technical term in Vedanta. Karyam means a product. That means the whole universe is nothing but karyam. The whole universe means you can take oceans, planets, trees, all beings, insects, birds, animals, human beings, and Akasha, Prithvi, Vayu, Jalam, Agni, all these Panchabhutas, everything. In fact, if you can say one word, whatever is appearing in front of me, whatever is appearing in front of me, and whatever I am able to see with these gross eyes, and certain things, whatever I am not able to see with my eyes also, through inference I hear something is there. That also is a product. Product of what? Product of Brahman. Aksharam Brahma. Once the universe is karyam, came out of Brahman, that Brahman gets that status. That status is Karanam. Karanam Brahma. Once I understand this whole creation is the Karyam of Brahman. So, this understanding of this world as Karyam, preceded by this Karanam Brahma. So, Brahman is the Karanam, cause for this effect. First statement is Karyam Jagat. Second statement is Karanam Brahma. Then the fourth stage, no Karyam can exist without the Karanam. No Karyam can independently exist without Karanam. Second, the development. This is called known to unknown. I know the world appearing in front of me, so I have to find out the Karanam. That means known to unknown is easy. This is the method. Karyam Jagat Janami. Eka Karana Vijnanam Avashyakam. Idanim, I want to know the cause. What Upanishad says? Aksharam Brahma is the cause. So Karanatvam status I have given. Now third step I have to understand is, this Karyam can never exist independently without the Karanam. For that matter, anything in this world, any product cannot exist without its base substratum, the cause. Just as the cloth cannot exist without the fiber. Pot cannot exist without its cause, the clay. Ornaments cannot exist without its cause, gold. Clear? Therefore, no effect can exist without Karanam. What is the corollary? That means Karanam alone is appearing as the Karyam product in different name and form. Very simple. Harisimavu alone appearing in the Murukku form. Harisimavu is mavu. What you are mixing in that? That alone appearing in different form. Or Kadalamavu alone appearing in the form of Mysore Pak. Without Kadalamavu, can you get Mysore Pak? So, Karanam alone appears in the Karyam, name and form. Different name and form. So, this is the third step. Fourth step is Jagat Karyatvam we have given, Brahmanaki Karanatvam we have given. Third step of Karyam, really speaking, there is no Karyam at all. Karanam alone appearing in the third step we have understood. Understood? There is no Karyam separately. Karanam alone appearing in the different name and form. This is third step development. Fourth step, what we have to understand? Since there is no Karyam separately, independently existing other than cause, therefore, Karyam is Mithya. See the development. Since Karyam is nothing but the cause appearing in a different name and form, it has no independent existence. That must be Karyatvam is Mithya. Karyatvam is Mithya, false, unreal. We are all blinking. I will give an example. So, wave is the Karyam. First step. Wave is the Karyam, product. Next step. Water is the cause, Karanam. Third step. Second step. Third step. Wave is nothing but water. Third step. Because wave is the effect. It is nothing but water, Karanam. So once the wave I have understood, it is nothing but water. Really, Karyatvam Karanatvam of wave is not at all real. Karanam alone appearing in the wave form. I am using my hand so that you can understand. Water moves always, wave also moving. Wave is nothing but water. Once I understood this Karya, wave is unreal, its substratum, the base, the source, the pith in that wave is nothing but water. Once I understood, can you enjoy the wavehood? Separately, wave will be there in your mind? No. Once the Karyatvam has gone, wave has gone, where is the Karanatvam of the water? Once I have negated this Karyatvam, this Karya wave is nothing but water and chonna vidane, once I have negated the wave Karyam, the causehood, causal hood, Karanatvam of the water will be negated. So adhyaropa apavadabhyam nishprapancham prapanchate. All these are all only for Sukha Bodhartham. எதுக்கு சுவாமி இவ்வளவு கதை சொல்லி நெகேட் பண்றதுக்கா? ஆமா, நெகேட் பண்ணதுக்கு தான். அப்போதான் நமக்கு புரியும். Introduce the karyam, give the karanatvam status to the cause, Brahman, and negate the karyam, negate the karanatvam of Brahman. எப்படி roof போடும்போது how they put pillars, when they are putting ceiling they put pillars, and after the ceiling sets fully, after curing water fully it sets. After some time what they do, they remove all these pillars inside. The purpose is over. Adi madri last class lo I have given one example. Intelligent people understand this. You are all intelligent people, therefore you have understood. Introduce the world, give the Karyatvam status to the world, give Karanatvam status to the Brahman, negate the world and remove that Karanatvam to Brahman. Really speaking, Brahman is not a Karanam. As long as you see the world, Brahman get Karanatvam status. Lahari dunde aniko. The wave is searching for water. Unintelligent wave only search for water. Intelligent wave understands I am water. Kapada dunde sutuko. The cloth is searching for a fiber. Unintelligent cloth will search for fiber. Intelligent cloth will not search for fiber. Jiva dunde Brahma ko. Unintelligent jiva will search for Brahman. Enge irkar, Vaikunthathila irkara, Kailasathila irkara, searching for Brahman. Jiva dunde Brahma ko. Intelligent jivas like you will never search. Why? Those intelligent jivas recognize themselves as Brahman. Avada Vedanta. If they search these unintelligent wave, Kapada and Jiva all are Tino, Utka Ut. A small correction. Last class lo Kutka Kut ani chonna. There is a correction. Utka Ut. Ut. I, E, U will and the Dirgha U. Utka Ut means all these three are fools. If waves search for water, it is a foolish thing. If a cloth search for fiber, it is a foolish thing. If Jiva search for Brahman, it is a foolish thing. Okay? Therefore, finally we have to understand Advaitam. What are the statements finally? Karye Karanam Pasyet. In your different language I am presenting. Same explanation, different language I am presenting. Karye Karanam Pasyet. That means in the world, see the cause Brahman. Karye karanam pasyet. Paschat, second statement. Paschat, later. Karyam visarjayet. Negate the world. Karyam visarjayet. Third step. Karanam tato nashyet. Karanatvam will perish, will go away. Karanatvam will not be there. Karye karanam pasyet. Paschat karyam visarjayet. Tato, tataha, what happened then? Karanam nashyet. Karanam nashyet means Brahman nashyet kadayadu. Karanatvam of Brahman will go away. What remains? Brahman avasishtam bhavet. Brahman only remains. So, presentation of world, what Upanishad did. How all came the birth, from the rivers all join in the ocean, again that goes into the sky and the vapor, and again it forms as cloud, again come into like that. These are all explanations only for LKG, UKG students. LKG, UKG students means when our mind is not mature to understand the Tattvamasi Mahavakya, idella stories sollanum. Previous whole, the 10 verses, whole explanation is this creation only. Presentation of the world has been done. And introduced Brahman in the 10th verse. That whole universe is nothing but Brahman. Then negation of the world and the causal status of Brahman also will be negated. This is the crux of the whole Upanishad, especially in this section. What we have done up to here, up to 10th verse, in the second chapter, first section, this is what we have done. In the 4 statements, it is the whole chapter I have given in 4 statements. Clear though? Now, it's very nice to listen how to own up that Brahman. Romba nalla irukke kekkuradhukku. That Brahman, how to own up anna, Upanishad gives the method. Upanishad gives a upaya, a technique to know that Brahman, who is Karya Karana Vilakshanam Brahma. And finally, Upanishad has said in that 10th mantra, Yo Veda Nihitam Guhayam. So, Etad Yaha Veda Nihitam Guhayam. That Brahman, which is the Karya Karana Vilakshanam, which we have introduced cause for the universe and negated that Karanatvam, that Brahman is in your heart alone. என்னோட ஹார்ட்டா, நான் இத்தனை நாளா வெளியில தேடிண்டே இருக்கேனே, எனக்கு உள்ள இருக்கேன்னு சொல்றாரு. கடை உள்ளன்னு சொல்றாரே தவிர எனக்கு இன்னும் காணும் இல்ல, அழுக்கே தெரியுதே தவிர ஐ எம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு நோ. You will get it. I will tell you the upaya technique. So, if you know that Gandhirasam Vikiratiha Somya, all your doubts will be cleared. If you know that Brahman, never search for that Brahman outside. And the Hindi sloka gnapakam vechukonga. You know, Utka Ut. If a jiva search for Brahman outside, it is a foolish thing. There is no other foolish thing greater than this. It is a foolish thing. So, enna pannanum? In your heart only it is available. Try to understand. How to understand? Come on, look into the next chapter. I will tell you. Neeye kashtapadanu naan solrene. Easy method how to understand that who is available in your guha, in the heart. Now we have to see this second section of the second chapter. Now we'll look into the mantra. We read first. Avisannihitam guhacharam nama. Avisannihitam guhacharam nama. Mahattadam matraitat samarpitam. Mahattadam matraitat samarpitam. Ejat प्राणन् निमिषच्च यदेतज्जानत सत्सद्वरेण्यम् परं विज्ञानाद्वरिष्ठं प्रजानाम् जीवात्म परमात्मा ऐक्य ज्ञानम. That upaya is going to be revealed in this chapter, second section. Very, very important. What Upanishad wants to say, you need not separately experience the consciousness that Aksharam Brahma, who is in your heart, is none other than consciousness. Okay, this must be clear. The Aksharam Brahma, Aksharam means imperishable Brahman, who is the cause of this universe. When it is available in your heart, the Aksharam Brahma is called as Atma or consciousness. In the word Marakakudadu. Okay, if I forget this statement, the whole Vedanta vague irukkum. Idu Aksharam Brahma, who is the cause for this whole creation, is available in your heart, Upanishad said. So that which is available in my heart is the consciousness. That consciousness is called Atma. That Atma is myself. Therefore, I myself need not experience. Why? I myself only is the cause for every experience. So, non-irritated, for example, once you come to this hall and you experience everything. You experience means you come across all objects, you are aware of those things. If you do not see certain things, you know their absence also. If the chairs are not there, you will say. And so person has not come means you know that also. You will say, oh, that person hasn't come today. You know that. You know the presence of things and you know the absence of things, and you never question your presence. Naan irikena illaya anu doubt varuma. You can get doubt about any blessed thing in this universe, but you never doubt yourself. Can you ask me, Swamini, nanu class ku vandana illaya? Will you ask? No one can doubt about oneself. Therefore, the experience of the consciousness is not a special particular event. The experiencer is always available. That is called Avihi, self-evident. I am evident to myself. If your mother or father has to come, you are there and I don't require anyone to tell about my existence. Naan irikena illaya nu yaar enakku solla avashyam ille. Yen naan irikena enakku theriyum. I know that I am here because I am the consciousness. I am the consciousness. I am aware of everything. The awarer of everything cannot doubt his presence. So, Avihi means self-evident, shining one. Divyohya murtah purushaha sabhahyabhyantaro yajahan. Brahma Lakshanam we saw in the previous section. What we heard there? Divyohya amurtaha purushaha saha bahyaha abhyantaraha we have heard. Abhyantaraha means inside also. So now about inside we are studying. Inside Brahman is available. Ipoda namak பிடிப்பே கிடைக்கும். ஹியர் இட் இஸ் அவைலபிள். எங்கேயோ அவரெல்லாம் காரணம் கேணான்னு சொன்னால் நமக்கு என்ன புரியும்? இங்கே இருக்காரு, வெளியில் போக முடியாதவருக்கு. யூ கேன் நோ தட் பிரம்மன். ஆவிஹி மீன்ஸ் சித்ரூபதஹன, சித்ரூபேண, as the conscious entity. ஆவிஹி என்ன தமிழில் ஆவிஹி இல்லை, அதில் வச்சுக்கூடாது, கோஸ்ட். ஆவி என்ன ஸ்டீம் ஆல்சோ இஸ் கால்ட் ஆவி, அந்த மீனிங் கிடையாதுங்க. ஆவிஹி மீன்ஸ் செல்ஃப் எஃபல்ஜென்ட் பிரம்மன். சந்நிஹிதம், சந்நிஹித மீன்ஸ் இன் ஆல் மை காக்னிஷன். சந்நிஹிதம் ரொம்ப கிட்ட. சந்நிஹிதம் வித் which remains evident closely. சம்யக் ஸ்திதம், when is evident now in all my cognitions. Shabda jnanam, knowledge of sound, I am aware. Sparsha jnanam, knowledge of touch, I know. Jnana means knowledge. Shabda jnanam, sparsha jnanam, rupa jnanam, knowledge of forms and colors. Rasa jnanam, knowledge of taste, cognition, vritti jnanam, and knowledge of smell, ghrana jnanam, gandha jnanam. In all these experiences, the jnanam, that is chitan. I know sound, I know the form, I know the smell, I know the taste, I know the touch, everything I know. The cognition, that is called cognition. In every vritti jnanam, it is evident, self-evident. That is the meaning. Sannihitam. Sannihitam nama. It is well known. It is very well known, very popular. I know my son. I know my son. Son cognition. I know my daughter. Daughter cognition. Cognition means recognition. Vritti jnanam. All our activities, all our vyavahara, only cognition. Cognition means vritti jnanam. Vritti jnanam vandana class varam ukaram idella vritti jnanam da. In every vritti jnana, I know, I know, I know, I know. This I know is common. What I know is uncommon. Clear though? I know is common. I know Lakshmi, I know Sudha, I know Saraswati, I know Parvati. I know is same, but that known object is different. It is very well known. எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியுமா இதுல என்ன புதுசு நமக்கு? That's why nama means well known. Where this cognition is taking place? Guhacharam. அது ரொம்ப important. இந்த cognition எங்க வருது? My daughter vritti jnanam, my husband, my house, my book, my saree, all my property, my ornaments. This cognition, where is it is taking? Not outside. It is taking in my heart. Guha means here cave. Real meaning is guha means cave. Here guha means it is like a cave because it is inside. It is like a cave in which one which moves in the heart. Charam means sarva vritti sakshinam. This jivatma, where it moves as the witnesser of all thoughts in the mind or in the heart, you can take. Guhacharam. Guhayam charyate iti. Floating in mind enclosure. As though floating. Don't think really floating. Okay? As though floating in the mind, in my own mind, because I am only knowing everything, floating in my mind enclosure. That which is floating in the mind enclosure as the witnesser of every thought, that Atma, I.e. consciousness, Chit is support, Mahat Padam. I, the consciousness, aware of every vritti arising in my mind, in the enclosure, I, the consciousness, is support of everything. தூக்கமே வருதோ? வரக்கூடாது. இதுதான் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் போர்ஷன். டஃப் சப்ஜெக்ட்னு எப்பவுமே அபோவ் ஹெட் தான். அபோவ் ஹெட்னு உடனே ஹெட்ல கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே அசந்தல் வந்துடும். இது மறந்துட்டான்னு அவ்வளவுதான். இந்த ஜென்மாக்கு முக்தி போஸ்ட் போண்டா. இட் இஸ் த கிரேட்டஸ்ட் சப்போர்ட். ஓகே, திஸ் Atma, the consciousness which is enclosed in, as though in the mind, in the heart, as the witnesser of every cognition, is the support, base or substratum. Mahat and great. The great. Padam means support. Padam means, pad means that which is reached by all. Padam. Destination. Previous section now the important clue here. Previous section is Satpradhana topic. As existent Brahman, Satpradhanam. Brahman means what? Sat Chit Ananda. Engu padichom? Satvabodha. Sat Chit Ananda Swarupaha Atma. Atma Tarhikaha. சச்சிதானந்த ஸ்வரூபஹா. அந்த ஆத்மா சத்பிரதானமா ப்ரீவியஸ் சாப்டர்ல படிச்சோம். இப்போ ஹியர் சித் பிரதான ரூபேண ஆத்மா we are studying. Okay, so mahat padam, it is the greatest support. Support for what? Next question. It is the base, substratum, support for what? See, this chair bench is support. For whom? For me. For me it is support. Yes? Similarly, and for this desk it is support. For this mic and mic stand, this bench is support. So support means there are certain things which are taking ashraya on that. What are those things? We have to understand. That is only mantra tells now. Ejat, pranat, nimishat, etat samarpitam atra. This consciousness which is available in the heart as the witnesser of all experiences, cognitions, this consciousness, I, the consciousness, is support for ejat, means for all moving things. Ejat means for all moving things. All flying ones also, which are all moving. You can supply anejat also, plants. Upanishad has not said. Ella sollite pona time patad. That's why Upanishad only taking ejat means moving ones, I am the support. For non-moving ones also, I am the support. என்ன அர்த்தம்? இந்த பெஞ்ச் இருக்கு, அது மேல சுவாமி உட்கார்ந்துருக்காரு. ஸோ தேர்ஃபார் பெஞ்ச் இஸ் சப்போர்ட்னு அந்த மாதிரி அங்கே பிரம்மன் இருக்கான், கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ், அது மேல ஆல் ஜீவாஸ் ஆர் சிட்டிங்கல அப்படி எடுத்துக்கூடாது. சப்போர்ட் மீன்ஸ் all moving things, their existence is possible because of me, the consciousness. I, the consciousness, recognize every blessed moving things in the universe. Ejat. Same way, that tree, anejat. The tree cannot move. Anejat. That tree is anejat. Adukku support. Who is the support for its existence? I, the consciousness, is the support for that tree. Inna Swamini, the tree ki support bhumi dane. How can you become the support? The support na adi vere support. That support we are not talking. The tree is there. Its existence to be recognized. That recognition of the tree is its support. Who is recognizing? I, the consciousness, is recognizing. Therefore, ID consciousness is the support for the tree. Otherwise, the tree is there or not, who bothers? Naan illenna, ID consciousness is not there to recognize the tree. What is the existence of tree? If it is there or not, who will bother? Since I am here, I am giving existence to that object. In Mandukya, first class, I have explained all this. Any object can have its existence only when there is a pramata. Without pramata, pramanam cannot be, prameyam cannot have any value at all. That means what? And the chedi irukane appreciate பண்றதுக்கு யாரு வேணும்? நான் வேணும். நான் என்ன யார் இப்போ? Consciousness. Therefore, ID consciousness is support for everything or not? Correct தானே? Okay, very good. Ejat, pranat, ID consciousness is support for all breathing ones. Which are all breathing? Prana, apana, inhalation and exhalation, they're all doing because of the consciousness. ID consciousness is giving support to this respiratory system to breathe. Not only that, ID consciousness is the support to recognize the other breathing objects. Other breathing beings ellame. Illenna, if I don't recognize the rat is there, it is also having inhalation, exhalation, breathing. If I don't recognize that rat or cat, which are all breathing, the breathers, or rabbit, their existence, who will decide? Rat cannot say, I am rat, I am in India, I am safe, I am not in Baghdad. Rat cannot. Chit is there, Sat is there, but rat cannot have sixth sense. Therefore, let's say all human beings are coming to the Mundakopanishad class. Clear? Now, this is an important issue. Human beings only can recognize this. Chit, Sat, not cat, rabbit. Clear? Pranat also, even other breathers, whatever are there in this universe, they cannot recognize. Dog cannot know I am a dog. Dog never appreciates itself if it gets first prize also in the competition. Who appreciates? Dog owner. Dog, bobo, if you go and tell and you are so happy with that dog, you tell, you got first prize today. See, everybody is appreciating you, you got first prize. அப்படி பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கும். என்ன ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ் ஏதோ பாவம் இவனு ஏதோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். அந்த டாகுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? That breather, the dog is also, who is the support for that? ID consciousness. Chit consciousness, the witnesser, is the support, the base. Nimishad, and who are all winking ones. கண்ணிருக்கும் இல்லை, எல்லா பீயிங்ஸுக்கும் கண்ணிருக்கு. For all these winking ones, and yet, all these, for example, you can supply yourself. All these are samarpitam. Samarpitam means are based. In future, Upanishad is going to give an example that I will tell you here. Samarpitam means what? A beautiful example is going to come. Now you take a wheel. A cart is there. And the cart வண்டிக்கு வீல் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, wooden wheel. அந்த wooden wheel middle over a hub இருக்கும். A hub. And the hub is having another big circle connected all spokes. Spokes and another all spokes. You know those. All spokes connected to this hub. The whole wheel is, all hubs are supported by whom? In the hub, the center portion. Clear? That is samarpitam. So, ID consciousness is like a hub. All these cognitions are like spokes. This whole wheel is like a world. Clear? We are going to see that later. Atra, on this Brahman. They are based on this Brahman. Atra, ultimate light. Here, self-effulgent means not a jyoti. Effulgent is the problem. So, Upanishad itself creates problem. ஏற்கனவே நமக்கு தகராறு, இதுக்கு என்ன இந்த மாதிரி சொல்லி ஆவிகின்னு சொன்ன உடனே செல்ஃப் எவிடென்ட், செல்ஃப் எஃபல்ஜென்ட், செல்ஃப் ஷைனிங், திவ்யோஹ்ய மூர்த்த புருஷா, திவ் தாத்து மீன்ஸ் டு ஷைன். இன்னும் இது சொன்ன உடனே பீப்புள் ஆர், அப்பா ஆத்மா இஸ் ஷைனிங், ஆத்மா இஸ் பல பல பலன்னு ஒரே காந்தியா தெரியறதுன்னு. அரே அப்படி அர்த்தம் அப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்க கூடாது. ஹவு யூ ஹாவ் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், ஆத்மா as though light, consciousness is as though light. A light is means what? What is the definition of light? A light is that in whose presence all things are known. A light is that in whose presence all things are known. Their presence is known and their absence is also known. For example, these eyes are called light. Ears are called light. Because these eyes, presence of eyes, I know certain objects. So, the presence, the light, why eyes are called light? Because of their presence, I know. By whose presence I know the objects. Rupa Jnanam. Ears, by whose presence I know the sounds. Shabda Jnanam. By whose presence the tongue I know the taste. Rasa Jnanam. Similarly, all Jnanams take place because therefore they are called light. As though light. Clear? That is called light. Never think Atma is like a flame, like a light, never think like that. Okay, now Atma is light in the sense, these sense organs borrowing the sentiency from the mind, that mind is borrowing sentiency from the consciousness. That means consciousness indirectly giving the capacity to the eyes to know the object. Clear though? செகண்ட் ஹாஃப்ல தான் ரொம்ப ஜாகிரதையாக இருக்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் வந்தப்போ சுறுசுறுப்பாக இருக்கும். இந்த செகண்ட் ஹாஃப்ல தான் அது சப்ஜெக்ட் கிளைமேக்ஸ்க்கே போகும். அப்போதான் நம்ம கரெக்டாக தூக்கம் வரும், வரக்கூடாது. அத்ரா ஆன் திஸ் பிரம்மன் சது அசது. சது மீன்ஸ் ஃபார்ம்டு. ஹியர் சது அசத்துன்னு அது எடுக்கக்கூடாது. பிரம்மன் சத், சத்தியம் ஞானம் அனந்தம் பிரம்மான்னு இருக்கக்கூடாது. சது ஆத்மா என்ன, இப்போதான் சுவாமி யூ டோல்ட் அஸ் சச்சிதானந்த பிரம்மனு. இங்க சத்து மீன்ஸ் ஃபார்ம்டு ஒன். ஹவு மெனி மீனிங்ஸ் ஆர் தேர்? ஒரு வேர்டுக்கு சாஸ்திரா யூசஸ் அம்டீன் மீனிங்ஸ். அதுக்கு தான் குரு வேணும்னு சொன்னது. புரியுறதா? இப்போ இங்க சத்து என்ன, ஃபார்ம்டு ஒன், தட் விச் ஹேஸ் காட் எ ஃபார்ம், எ ஷேப். அண்ட் அசத்து மீன்ஸ் formless, which do not have form. All based on this Brahman, which are all based on this Brahman, which are having forms and which are not having forms, all are based on this Brahman. Formed one only based on Brahman. அப்படி formless எல்லாமே எங்க இருக்குது? அந்த மாதிரி டவுட் வரும். அதுக்கு தான் உபனிஷத்து tells சது அசது, மூர்த்தா அமூர்த்தா அர்த்தம். Murti means that which has got form. Amurta means which has not having form. Everything based on Brahman. For example, Agni, Jalam, Prithvi, fire, water and earth have got form. Based on whom? Brahman. Etasmad jayate pranaha, tasmadva etasmad atmanaha akashastambhutaha, akashad vayuhu. Akasha, Vayu are formless. Born from Brahman. So, Tatra Samarpitam means what? Atra means Atra here. On this Brahman, the consciousness, they are supported. So, this Akasha, Vayu, which are formless,
and Agni, Jalam, Prithvi, which are have formed. On this Brahman alone they are all based. Therefore, Varishtham Varenyam. Since it is the support for all these formed and formless one, it is worth to sought after. That which is base for everything, it is worth to find out. What is it? Varishtham. Varaha, Variyan, Varishtha. Gayatri Mantrala, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Dhiyo Yona Prajodayad. And Varenyam Varam. That Varenyam, Bhargaha Varenyam, Atra Brahman, consciousness, Varenyam. Why? Since Brahman, the consciousness, I is the support for all, supportless support I am. I need not have any support. I am giving support. I am taking support. Support. You are also taking support. So the Brahman, the consciousness is Varishtham because it never takes support from anything. Clear now? That is the uniqueness. Why we have to Varenyam? Why you have to choose that? Why we have to know that Brahman? It is supportless support. It never depends on anything. It gives support to everything. The greatness. The greatest to be sought, to choose. Here support means what? What do you mean by support? Water support to the wave. Fiber support to the cloth. Brahman support to the Jiva. Jiva support and don't pillar is supporting building and madri. Support means as though support. Okay. Now, Varenyam means the goal. It is the goal. Yat param. Vijnanat prajanam. That is another important thing. Why I have to choose this Brahman? This Brahman is beyond param. Beyond of what? Prajanam vijnanat. The ordinary laukika knowledge of people, this is supreme. So prajana means of those people. Vijnanat, the knowledge of those people. Those people means who are all having computer knowledge, physics knowledge, chemistry knowledge, astronomy knowledge, nuclear bomb knowledge, ella bomb knowledge. They have got ammunitions knowledge. Ella knowledge vida idi param anna beyond. That means what? Adi aparavidya, idi paravidya. Therefore you have to know. Adi da karanam. Na enak adi theriyum, idi theriyum, ella theriyum anna. And the story madre. And the boatman said, உனக்கு நீச்சல் தெரியுமா? எனக்கு நீச்சல் தெரியாதுன்னா அவ்வளவுதான் உள்ள போனா. அந்த ஸ்டோரி தெரியும் இல்லையோ? அது மாதிரி பிரம்ம வித்யா is a tarana vidya in this human life. Whatever qualification you have got, a portfolio and you have got lot of qualification, zero. Apara vidya ellame. That's what here says. Guru tells, Angiras is telling, Prajanam vijnanat yat param tatu varishtham. Apara vidya, this vidya is supreme. Therefore you have to know. Janatha etat. Oh my dear student, Janatha, know this. You must know this. Because since it is supreme, beyond of all this worldly knowledge. எனக்கு வீணை தெரியும், சங்கீதம் தெரியும், பாட தெரியும், டான்ஸ் தெரியும், ஸ்விம்மிங் தெரியும், ஸ்கேட்டிங் தெரியும், எல்லாம் தெரியும். நீ யாரப்பான்னா அதுதான் தெரியாது. Therefore, study Mundakopanishad. Continue next mantra. Yadarchimat yadanubhyonucham yasmin loka nihita lokinascha tadetadaksharam brahma sapranastadu vangmanaham tadetat satyam tadamritam తద్వేద్ధవ్యం సౌమ్య విద్ధి. Now the actual process, the technique, Upaya Upanishad is going to reveal. Angiras is revealing to Shaunaka. This is Jivatma Paramatma Aikya mantra. All are important mantras. See the third line. Tadetad Aksharam Brahma. That which is the support for whole creation, I consciousness who is available in this mind enclosure, it is Aksharam Brahma. That Aksharam Brahma, that Aksharam Brahma and this consciousness are not different. Both are one and the same, identical. That is Aksharam Brahma, imperishable Brahman. Yat Atsimat, which is effulgent, again effulgent. அடிக்கடி வந்துட்டே இருக்கும் இது. எஃபல்ஜென்ட், ஷைனிங், பிரைட். பிரைட்னா அப்படி போகும் நம்ம மனசு. எது அணுஹு, அணுபியா, ஸ்மாலர் தேன் ஸ்மாலெஸ்ட், சட்லர் தேன் சட்லெஸ்ட். அணு மீன்ஸ் ஆட்டம். இட் இஸ் வெரி 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 சட்டில். இந்த அக்ஷரம் பிரம்மா, ஐடி கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் who is available in this guha, moving and giving support to all sense organs. That is what now we are going to see. Anuhu anubhyaha, Brahman is smaller than smallest. So you can supply bigger than biggest. Prithvi, Shamaka and your grain is ரொம்ப small. Shamaka. This Brahman is smaller than that Shamaka. Mahato Mahiyan, Anoraniyan, Mahato Mahiyan, Brahman, Nanedan. Nanan in the body mind edukudad. If I take body mind, or kuttu kudupar Bhagavan. I am consciousness. Anuhu anubhyaha. Anubhyaha means than atoms. I am subtlest. Yasmin lokaha lokinaha nihitaha. On which the world's lokaha means achetana prapancha. Lokinaha means chetana prapancha. Sentient and insentient. The mountains and all insentient. All beings are sentient. Lokaha, lokinaha. Nihitaha are based. Wave based on water, ornament based on gold, desk based on wood, cloth based on fiber. All these lokas, lokinaha, based on Brahman, ID consciousness. Saha pranaha. It is prana vayuhu. Then we have to understand. Pranasya pranaha nu sollano. Inga pranaha na inda moochu kaatudha Brahman nu sollakudadu. Yad yaha saha pranaha na pranasya pranaha. Tat etat tad vu vang manaha. That means it is speech and mind. Speech and mind means that which is the support base for speech and the mind. Clear? Etat satyam. It is the truth. Brahma satyam, Jagan mithya. In the speech ki, apram the manas ki, prana, ellathikume support consciousness. So in the body, all organs who support I the consciousness. This is satyam. This is truth. If you don't understand, come after some time. Okay? I am not telling. Upanishad is telling. This is Satyam. This is the only truth. This is the only truth. Try to understand. Tad Amritam, it is immortal. It has no death at all. Tad Vedhavyam, it has to be penetrated. It has to be known. It has to be pierced. The mind should concentrate on it. Anartham. Somya, oh pleasing one, my dear student, Vidhi means shoot it. Jivatma poi Paramatmano poi appadiye had to fix target. Adi eppadi na apparam next class. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः